Today, this episode is very special because today our audience are our special guests. And we'll be discussing about navigating your future, building your profile for career success. Meet my co-host, Ms. Vanya Dogra.
Hello, Deepti ma'am.
Hello,
Thank you for
Vanya.
giving me this opportunity. And today in this show, we're going to be focusing on why is it important for high school students specifically to work on their profile and their career building. It is very important to have a strong foundation for a better future, and we here at GAN will tell you how to build that strong foundation.
Navigating career options and planning from high school can feel overwhelming. Maximum students, they are unsure about their natural talents, their passion and how they can connect to future careers. उस केस में क्या होता है कि जो students हैं, they either go to some of their senior to take an advice or they connect with some relative or some other friend or maybe their same age group. वो एडवाइस कैसे कर सकते हैं उस स्टूडेंट को जिनका स्टिल एज गैप इज बिटवीन ओनली 2 to 3 years. So at that time they need a good career counselor who can guide them about their career options. And every child is different. हर बच्चे में अलग टैलेंट है एंड आई थिंक दैट पेरेंट्स शुड ऑल्सो स्टॉप कंपेयरिंग द किड्स. हो सकता है कोई बच्चा गिटार में बहुत अच्छा है, हो सकता है सम चाइल्ड इज वेरी गुड एट साइकोलॉजी, हो सकता है सम चाइल्ड इज वेरी गुड एट साइंस. So every child is not meant for NEET and JEE. There are many other options which we can guide you about.
That's absolutely right, ma'am. But what begs the question is, I understand high school is a very trying time. You're almost at the brink of adulthood. You have a lot of problems. May it be your studying pressure, may it be your peer pressure. But why start profile building as soon as grade 9? Why worry about career in a class as small as grade 9?
Look, Manya, grade 9 is the time when child is at the verge of exploration as well as exposure. Fine. उस टाइम पे बच्चा ढूंढ रहा होता है इस चीज़ को कि मुझे लाइफ में आगे क्या करना है, लेकिन स्टडी प्रेशर के कारण और बहुत सारी चीज़ों के कारण वो ऑलरेडी बहुत कंफ्यूज होता है एंड ही इज नॉट एबल टू चूज द राइट पाथ. एंड एट दैट टाइम कई प्रॉब्लम्स वो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ भी डिस्कस नहीं कर सकता. सो व्हाट आई थिंक दैट एट दैट टाइम द चाइल्ड नीड्स अ गुड करियर काउंसलर.
Because truth be told, हमारी सोसाइटी में फ्री के करियर काउंसलर्स बहुत बैठे हैं जो गलत एडवाइस देने में ज़्यादा बिलीव करते हैं. लाइक एनी रैंडम पड़ोसी और एनी रैंडम सीनियर who might think, okay, this is a perfect career option for you. But frankly speaking, career options are unique to each child according to their abilities, according to their particular strengths and weaknesses. I believe that is something that we touch upon in our 5-dimensional test. Would you like to?
A core element of comprehensive career coaching is deep self-discovery to build that initial profile. This starts with multi-dimensional assessment, evaluation, interests, personality, aptitude, orientation style, and emotional intelligence. So, tools exist like psychometric analysis we provide here at GAN. This uses a 5D dimensional assessment model. This assessment helps identify career matching a student's unique profile, ensuring they pursue paths they are passionate about and वो बच्चा उस path को follow करे जो उसके caliber के हिसाब से है. Your child, suppose, is not meant for a NEET or JEE exam.
मैम अगर प्लेन एंड सिंपल भाषा में हम बात करें तो दिस टेस्ट आस्क्स यू सर्टन क्वेश्चंस जिसके बेसिस पे आपकी पूरी पर्सनालिटी इन 5 डायमेंशंस में मैप होती है. आपको बताया जाएगा आपके क्या स्ट्रेंथ्स है, क्या वीकनेसेस हैं, वेदर यूर अ पीपल पर्सन और यूर एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पर्सन, और उसके बेसिस पे आपके करियर मैचेस होंगे. This gives you a very unique opportunity to choose something that you would be actually passionate about. आप इंटरनेट पे स्टोरीज देखते हैं रिलेट करती हुई कि स्टीव जॉब्स या मार्क ज़करबर्ग इन्होंने कॉलेज छोड़ दिया और ये सक्सेसफुल हो गए। द की टेक अवे फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी इज़ नॉट कि इन्होंने कॉलेज छोड़ के सक्सेस हासिल की। The key takeaway is they became successful doing something they were actually passionate about and were actually good at. And that is what we here at Gyan aim to do. आपके बच्चे को उसके true passion से मिला के उसको successful बनाना is what we are doing here. आप खुद ही सोचिए, अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर instead of being a cricketing maestro एक शेफ बनने की कोशिश करते, क्या वो इतने successful होते जितने संजीव कपूर है? मे बी उनके घर वाले भी संजीव कपूर के फैन हो। दैट इज़ वाई बच्चे की खुद की कोर कैपेबिलिटी एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है एज अ पेरेंट फॉर यू, एंड वी हियर एट ज्ञान हेल्प यू टू डू दैट। वी वोंट वेट फॉर ग्रेड 11th और 12th टू एक्चुअली हेल्प यू डिसाइड व्हाट टू डू फर्दर। हम 9 से ही प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटीज शुरू कर देते हैं, जिससे आपके बच्चे को एंड यू टू वुड गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ व्हाट विल मेक देम सक्सीड।
You're absolutely right, Vanya. Besides this, integrating a student's emerging profile with job trends is critical. Resources like World Economic Forum's reports highlight growth in areas like AI and machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, environmental careers. So, there are many students and parents also who are not aware about these career options. एंड मे बी जो करियर ऑप्शंस अभी ट्रेंड में हैं आने वाले टाइम में दे मे बी ऑब्सोलीट।
एब्सोल्युटली, एंड मैक्सिमम लोग डिबेट कर रहे हैं क्या एआई आने वाली जॉब्स खा जाएगा? विल एआई एक्चुअली रिप्लेस ह्यूमन बीइंग्स? द आंसर इज नो। AI will not replace human beings working currently, but people who know how to operate AI will replace the human beings working currently. So aligning your job options with the current learning trends is very important. जो especially third tier, fourth tier cities में नहीं information है लोगों को. Maybe in a big city they might have access to that information, but frankly all over India, in fact all over world, maximum लोग इस opportunity को grasp नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. कितना important है to build a comprehensive profile to develop the essential skills that you already have. Or let's say for example you want a career option which does not particularly match your skill set but your interests are aligned. In these 4 years हम profile building किसको कहते हैं? In these 4 years हम आपकी प्रोफाइल को उस हिसाब से बिल्ड कर सकते हैं so that your skill set starts matching your required career.
Moreover, soft skills are vital for long-term success and a strong profile. These include communication, collaboration, adaptability, problem solving, and self-management. The ability to communicate clearly, work in teams, embrace changes, analyze issues, and manage oneself are essential in diverse environments. And today or tomorrow, one has to work in diverse environments. So self-leadership skills like self-confidence and coping with uncertainty are so highly predictive of positive work outcomes. What do you think, Manya?
That's absolutely correct, ma'am. Besides that, structured programs that guide students towards activities like this and build their confidence are very important. But the true question is, if somebody tells me that I would be more successful if I choose a particular career and I take up that career, I find it interesting while I'm studying it, how would I really come to know that this is my niche? How do I know that this is the environment I would be really successful in? Well, this is where our job shadowing program comes into play. More on this from Deepika. Now, would you like to elaborate this?
Yes, Manya, definitely. So job shadowing is that the profession a child wants to follow, right? Like a child wants to become a doctor. So we'll be sending the child to a doctor for maybe a specific period of a time. He'll see the routine of a doctor, what obstacles a doctor is facing, or let it be a child wants to become a data scientist. So he can view virtually or in reality the life of a data scientist so that he can experience that thing, and then he can decide that will it be easy for the child to pursue that job.